Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I will be talking about BookaKucha. So if you need some help understanding it, please keep watching. So we are currently in the ELA Google Classroom. This is where you will find the assignment. Go under the classwork tab. Once you are there, you can see that I have different topics all set up. So if at one point it gets lost in the stream, just go to the topic on the left-hand side and it will take you straight there. But you can see that it's at the very top, so that's not necessary. When you click on the assignments, you'll have an attachment. It'll look a little bit different to you because you have the student version. But you can see that the due date is September 25th. So it is not due weekly. However, I will be checking it weekly, so make sure you're keeping up with your reading log because it's essentially a reading log. The idea is that you read between 20 to 30 minutes, 5 days of the week. However, you will only be filling out 4 slides per week. So I'm going to open up here. I have a student example that Miss Morales has created. And you can see that on slide number 2, we have the directions. So you can read those to help you kind of understand, or you can rewatch this video if you need further clarification. So slide number 3 and 4 are the topics or the questions that you can focus on for that week. So the goal is that you score a bingo. And what that means is that you need to answer that entire month. You need to either get a bingo diagonally, horizontally, or vertically. So on slide number 3, we have the options for nonfiction books. So these are books that are real, that are based on facts. And on slide number 4, we have our fiction options, or books that are stories or that are not true. So it is up to you what you decide to read for that entire month, a nonfiction book or a fiction book. And you can read anything you'd like. You can read a Newsella article, you can read common lit stories, you can choose your own personal books, and you can even use Lightsail and Epic as reading sources. It does not matter as long as you are tracking it. So slide number 5, if you click on any of these, it will have a link to that week. So you can see these are different weeks. So we're going to jump to August 31st, September 4th. So the first slide is going to be a citation slide. So the idea is that you'd include the title, the author, as well as the citation. So one of the 6th grade standards is that you learn how to cite. So we will be practicing citing weekly. And you can also watch a video here below that helps you, that walks you through the citing process as well. However, it tells you all the information that you need on that slide directly. So the idea is that you focus on one question or one topic per week. So for this week, our first week, I focused on 3 wishes. So you can see that I already scribbled it out. And the way you scribble it out is simply by using the scribble tool. You can go to Insert, select line, and then select that scribble tool, and then you can scribble it off. Just like that. So the first week is 3 wishes. So you see that for the entire week, I focused on 3 wishes that 4 different characters would make. And notice how they are written in paragraph form. They are complete sentences. It's not just one quick sentence. So you are in 6th grade and I expect you to be thorough. And along with that response, you also have on the right side that you need to insert a picture. So the picture can be directly from the internet, and it doesn't have to be related to necessarily the movie or the story, as long in the sense that it needs to be like the exact characters or anything like that. You can choose anything that represents what you discussed that day. So you can insert a picture by going to image and searching it on the web. So you can go ahead and Google whatever image that you would want to go along with your slide for that day. So notice that you also have page numbers on there, so you need to keep track of those. So this is week 2. For week 2, I focused on describing a character in detail and using textual evidence. We're going to be talking more about textual evidence throughout the year. So on that entire week, I focused on the 4 different characters. So essentially, that's all you have to do for BookaKucha. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me or Miss Morales. But that is all you need to know about this assignment.